Welcome back to Get Creative on Canva. This is part 2 of our Canva Basics series. In part 1, we covered Canva objects, and today we're diving into text and typography. We'll go through everything you need to know to add, style, and organize text in your Canva designs. So let's get started and add some text magic to your projects. Chapter 1, Adding Text Boxes. First things first, adding a text box in Canva is simple. Go to the Text tab on the left where you'll see options like Add a Heading, Add a Subheading, and Add a little bit of body text. You can also just press T on your keyboard to add a new text box instantly. Once you add a text box, you can drag it around to position it anywhere on the canvas. Canva automatically places new text at the center, but you're free to move it around as needed. Chapter 2, Choosing Fonts in Canva. Now let's talk about fonts. Canva has tons of fonts to choose from, including free and premium options if you're using Canva Pro. You can find fonts under the Font drop-down menu at the top of the screen. Try out different styles to see what fits your design. Serif fonts have a more classic look, sans serif fonts are modern and clean, and script fonts add a touch of elegance. Experiment and see what fits the mood of your design. Chapter 3, Customizing Text Size, Color, and Alignment. Once you have a font, it's time to customize the size, color, and alignment. To resize your text, use the font size drop-down or drag the text box handles to adjust manually. To change text color, click on the color tile at the top. Canva offers a color palette, or you can enter a hex code to match your brand colors. For alignment, you have options like left, center, or right, which can help organize your layout. Chapter 4, Applying Text Effects. Now, let's make your text stand out with effects. Select your text and go to Effects at the top. Canva offers several effects like shadow, lift, and hollow to give your text a unique look. For example, you can add a shadow effect to give depth or use the hollow effect for an outline look. Each effect has customizable settings like intensity and direction, so play around to find what works best. Chapter 5, Text Spacing and Line Height. To improve readability and layout, let's adjust spacing. With your text box selected, click on Spacing at the top. Here you can adjust the line height, which is the space between each line, and letter spacing, the space between each character. Adjusting line height is especially useful for body text, and letter spacing can add a polished look to your headings. Small tweaks here can make a big difference. Chapter 6, Creating Text Hierarchies with Heading, Subheading, and Body Text. Now, let's talk about creating a text hierarchy, which is key for a clear professional design. A good hierarchy usually includes a heading, a subheading, and body text. This structure makes it easier for viewers to understand your message. Use a larger font size for your main heading, something slightly smaller for subheadings, and the smallest size for body text. This structure helps guide your viewer's eye through the content in a natural way. Chapter 7, Positioning and Aligning. Text for balance. With Canva's alignment guides, you can position your text for balance. These guides will appear as you move your text, helping you line it up with other objects or text boxes on the canvas. Center-aligned text works well for social media posts, while left-aligned is often better for more formal designs. Experiment with different alignments to see what feels right for your project. Chapter 8, Grouping and Duplicating Text Boxes. If you have a group of text boxes that you want to keep together, you can group them. Just select the text boxes, right-click, and choose Group. Now you can move or resize them all at once. To keep consistency across pages or slides, you can also duplicate groups by right-clicking and selecting Duplicate. This saves time and ensures that your layout stays uniform. Chapter 9, Using Text Templates. Canva also has pre-made text templates under the Text tab, which are great for quick and stylish text combinations. Just click on one and it will add to your canvas with pre-designed fonts, colors, and effects. Templates are fully customizable so you can adjust the fonts, colors, and sizes to match your project. This is perfect if you need to create something eye-catching quickly. And that's your guide to text and typography in Canva. By mastering text, you'll be able to communicate clearly and creatively in your designs. In Part 3, we'll explore how to add photos and illustrations for more advanced designs, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching Get Creative on Canva. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what text effects you're excited to try. See you in the next tutorial.